Okay, good morning, 5th graders. So today in science we're going to be talking about the 3 states of matter. So go ahead and think to yourself, what are the 3 states of matter? We've been talking about them a lot. Literally. Okay, who can tell me what the 3 states of matter are?
Solid, liquids, and gases.
Good job. Okay, so for our little review game today, I'm going to hand you out these cards. There are 3 big cards, 1 solid, 1 liquid, 1 gas. And then there's little cards, and these are the characteristics of each state of matter, and you're going to match them up. I want you to keep the words facing up, though, because the answers are on the back. So you guys are going to check after you have everything placed down, and then you're going to check to see if you got them correct, okay? So you 4 are a group right here. You 5 are going to be a group right here. And then you 4 are a group right here. I'm going to play our States of Matter song twice through, and then I'm going to stop and check if you guys still need more time. I'll go ahead and let you guys have more time, okay?
Here we go. Three states of matter, they all have mass. Solid, liquid, gas, they all have mass. Oh yeah. Solid is earth, just like what's in your backyard. Just like water, because the gas is something you cannot see.
There's one that only has 3, right?
What?
Is there one that only has 3?
I don't know.
Oh, God, we got to get one right. Particles are not in the
3 states of matter, they all have mass. Gas.
We got one wrong. Yes.
One more time, you guys. Come on.
Slowly, but solid.
3 states of matter, they all have mass. They all have mass.
Okay, that was only one time, so I'm going to play it again.
Really not.
Here we go. Just like what's in your backyard. Just like water or milk or juice. Because the gas is something you cannot see.
Hands are all sticky now.
Get close all around.
Oh, my what? Oh, I thought you said I have some on my shirt.
One more time, you guys. Come on.
Okay, I played twice through. Is everybody good to move on? So how'd you guys do? Did you get all of them correct?
Yes. We got one wrong.
Just one wrong? Which one was it? Do you remember?
If they move slowly or quickly.
Okay. And what was it? Which one moved slowly?
Yeah, solid.
Solid. It's because the particles are packed really tight together, so they don't have much room to move, right? And then gas, it's really airy and open, so they can move really fast. Okay, good job. So go ahead and clear your desks. You guys can just pile those together, and we'll recycle them after class. And then all you need out is a pencil. Kendra, do you want to be my helper today? Okay, everybody is going to be getting a cup of ice cream and an empty cup. I don't want you to touch it or else you won't be able to participate in our activity, okay? So today we're going to identify, yeah, you can just start with passing. You can pass it back.
No.
I'm sorry, Kendra. Oh, my dad texted me.
Okay, so class, today we are going to be identifying states of matter based on their characteristics. And then I'm going to hand out a piece of paper, and we're going to be filling this out as we go. And then we're also going to be experimenting with combining two states of matter and seeing if we can form another state of matter. Okay? So here's this. Not yet. Nope. Go ahead. So the first thing we're going to do is you are going to observe what is already in your cup. You guys are going to decide what state of matter that is. You can pass those two back there. And then you're going to write it on the sheet.
It's a sherbet.
And then explain why. So what's inside your cup and what state of matter it is and why you know it's a state of matter. It's that state of matter. Okay, good. So does everybody have something written down? Who can share what they have written down? Emily?
I know ice cream is a solid because it has a specific shape.
Good. Anybody else write anything different?
Said, I know sherbet's a solid because it isn't flowy and I can see it.
Good. Rachel?
I know the spoon is a solid because it is hard and has its own shape.
Good. That's a little something different. Good. Okay, next. I'm going to come around with Kendra and we're going to pour some Sprite into your empty containers. Not yet. Hold on one second. So first I want sorry, that was my bad. First I want you guys to listen. I'm sure all of you have opened a can of pop or a bottle of pop before. So do people know kind of what happens when you open it? Okay. I want everybody to listen and we're going to open this one together and then you guys are going to tell me what it is. So who can tell me what that was?
Yes.
Gas. It was gas escaping, right? Does anybody know what kind of gas is inside of pop? Dioxide, right? Carbon dioxide. Good. Okay, Kendra, you can help me. We're just going to give him like a half a cup, probably. I have more too.
That's good enough.
Those of you that already have pop, you can go ahead and make your observations on the line for what do you think is a liquid, or what do you think the pop is. Kendra, do you need this?
I'll give you one, Michelle. You don't worry. His daddy and I got the scooter. And she went out last night. We were right now. And she thought I should have something. And you lit up? Yeah, I did. And
So who wants to share what they wrote for the pop?
my water bottle.
It does not hold the same shape.
So it's what?
A liquid.
A liquid, good, okay. Anybody else have anything different than what Carrie said? No? Okay. Next, we are going to see that there are bubbles. So as it's sitting there, you can see that there are bubbles inside of your pop. Those are actually little bubbles of carbon dioxide that's stuck inside the liquid. So now we're going to experiment and we're going to combine the two. You're going to pour your Sprite on top of your sherbet on the count of 3. We're going to do it all together. And you guys are going to observe what happens to the sherbet ice cream, okay? 1, 2, 3. Do it slowly so that it doesn't overflow. Good job, Cam. Okay, now go ahead and observe what happened inside of your cup. Do people see a change happening?
Yeah.
You guys see a change happening? So what's happening?
Oh my, ice cream is golden.
Your ice cream's floating. Good. Is there anything else change inside your cup?
colors.
The ice cream is like melting.
It's melting. Good. What's forming on top of everybody's cup? Bubbles. Do you know what's inside of those bubbles? Gas. Carbon dioxide. Good. Okay, so go ahead and make an observation on the bottom. What do you know is a gas, or what is a gas? What are gas inside of there? And then I'm going to give you guys all a straw so you can actually drink your. Do you want to hand two back to Zim? Not having it.
Ooh, those are cute straws.
They're very big, and I cut them in half.
Yeah, really.
Okay, so who wants to share what they wrote for the last part of our worksheet? Go ahead, Kendra.
I know fizz is a gas because there are bubbles on the ice cream that are full of gas.
Good. Okay, now that we're done with that, you guys can eat your sherbet ice cream floats. And the reason I didn't use root beer in this is kind of like a side note, because you can see through the Sprite, so you can actually see like the ice cream melting and forming bubbles on top, and it's colorful, so it makes colorful bubbles on top. Okay. So now we are going to close out our lesson. As you guys are eating, I want you guys to think about these questions on here and then write down some answers. We're going to go around and share at least one on each person's paper. But these are the 3 W's. So first, the question is what I learned today. The second question is why it is important to know. And then where you have seen this or where you will see this in the future, this kind of activity. Three.
Make floats with sugar and stuff.
So make sure you have at least one of those questions answered. Try to answer as many as you can, okay? Have you ever been to like a baby shower or like a bridal shower and they have like punch?
It's like, but it's like usually. This is what they do. This is what we use. Yeah. Pretty sure. Yeah.
Okay, does everybody have at least one of the questions answered? All right, we're going to go ahead and start sharing. Michelle, do you want to start us out? You can share one of them.
So where I've seen this before is when I make root beer floats.
Good. Go ahead, Megan.
I learned about the 3 states of matter today.
Good job. Kendra?
Why it's important to know, I said because the world is made up of all of these 3 states of matter. So it's like you should know what they are.
Good.
I said that I learned that carbon dioxide is in pop.
Where I've seen this or when I will see this is every day because we always see solids and liquids and we breathe.
Good job.
I said what I learned today is that color has a specific shape.
But I learned today that ice cream floats.
Ice cream floats.
Carbon dioxide is in pop.
Good.
Learn that gas tried to escape the liquid.
In the bubbles, right?
I learned that bubbles are a gas.
It's important to know because we see the solid liquid and gases every day.
Good.
It's important because
Okay. Good job. You guys can clean up your areas, and tomorrow we're going to be looking more in depth at the gas state of matter. Okay.
Again.
Oh.